Hi! Nandito kami sa The Peak. Ayun, nakikita nyo yung view doon, guys. Oh, ang ganda. Pero may ulap. Papaulan na. Eh. Okay, we're going to the peak. Magbabay daw kami ng tickets ng ano to? Kalatipo. Tickets for going to the tram. Okay. Bibili na raw kami ng ticket, guys. Tignan mo naman, haggard na haggard ako. Ay, haggard na haggard.
Almost on that. You go to the other side. Yeah, the other side. Come, Floppy. You not ever been here. You bring auntie.
Ayan pala, oh, the big tram.
Yeah, big tram.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sure.
that stress and all but one die.
Oy, ito pala, paikot siya, guys.
Up there got one of Madame Tussauds. You want interested in Madame Tussauds? You go in. I'm not interested. That's
Is
big
it?
tram.
I'm not so sure. Okay.
Here's a place where you can take a look.
Leia, the big tram.
Leia.
Oh, Leia said he came here already.
Yeah, no, that's why I see you. You're Leia.
Okay. Madaming nag-aabang dyan, guys. Charot.
The weather clear for you to come in lucky. Raining only, you problem cannot
The
walk.
tramway lane.
Don't be scared. Last time we say you scared going up mountain, not scared man.
No.
You not scared.
You're not scared. I'm not scared.
Lots of tourists all down here. Today Monday all come. Tuesday. I was about to say this one Kassim Road. Yeah, I was
Miss-
about to say the face look.
Miss Universe lah. The Miss
Oh, I miss
Universe.
you, no?
The big tram. Dito lang yung bibili tayo ng ticket, guys. Madame Tussauds.
Madame Tussauds museum. Maybe got your president inside. The old one should have. The new
Of
one.
course.
Yeah, the new one you have.
Okay, yan yung bilihan ng ticket. Ay, lang. Ano pala yan ng hop, 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 hop. Big Bus Hong Kong.
This way. Okay.
Okay, tramway. Yeah. Buses. Very hard. The dropping off, is a bit. Oh,
they got to turn to the
turn
side.
around.
Yeah, they got to turn to the side. There's a proper there and down here.
Oh, the end. The drop off there. Okay guys, bibili kami ng ticket guys. Packet ng tram. Yan. Diyan yung entrance guys, tapos bibili ng ticket. Yan. Okay. Magano kaming ticket guys. Mag-start na siya guys. Mag-start na siya guys. Dito kami sa shopping.
This not clear lah.
139.
189.
Yeah.
But they got so many different cars.
Mamimili muna kami guys. Dito kami sa shopping big market. Big market. Yes?
Oh, is this going out or what? I don't know.
I'm not so sure. Yeah. Finlay Road. Okay, that's
Yeah, iconic is here. Make you go that side.
guys. Ayan yung gusto niyang kuhanan guys. Ayan. So may bahay pa doon guys. Ayan o. Ayan daw yung dati na tram. Ay, nakarating din sa wakas. Ayan. The Peak pala, The Peak. Ayan yung iconic guys. Galit na yan oh. Ayan. Okay.
I said the top to wait for me.
Unless I found it expensive.
Where?
You take it a bit. I want to book it.
Okay, go. You put me somewhere in the... Waiting.
You can see the meals. And delicious. Meron na siyang delicious. Tingnan lang kami guys.
I go and whatever down here we need. Okay? Okay.
Si Reese's, si Hershey's, si Kisses. Bahala ka dyan. Ha? Tawla. Dan, huwag ka magsasalita ng masama. Okay lang. Ayaw nakadalain sa taas. Tingnan nyo, oh. Parang nasa Baguio, guys. Yun daw yung dating transportation daw. Yan, kuryente. Naligaw na kami ata, guys. Wala man to. Naligaw na ata kami, guys. Charot! Uy! Uy! Ayun pa siguro yung pataas, guys. Palabas na kami, guys. Ano bang signal? I think go up this side. Okay. Excuse me. Oh my God. Foggy siya, guys. Yan, oh. Ayan. Come, let's go. Oh, wala ka nang makita. Ayan, oh. Diyan kami bumaba kanina, guys. May aso-aso pa pala dyan. Ah, you have to... Oh? You have to use the staircase. Yeah, ayan, oh. Mag-staircase kami dyan, guys. Papunta sa taas. Ayan. 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 Meron pala doon escalator, guys, oh. Kaya lang, hindi ko alam kung ano. Parang dito lang yung papunta sa taas. Hey, come, let's go! Come. Aray ko, okay naman. Aray ko, bigat, putik. Ang bigat ng escal. Ayun, ang bigat ng ano. Go. Yeah. One thing good, if locked, it won't fold. Diyan kami pupunta, guys. Yan. Doon ang labasan. Ala, grabe kalamig, ana, uy. Ano bang push? Ayan. Ah, dyan sana daw, makiat kanina. Eh. Oh, yung ganda. Ayan.
Ayan kau.
Yeah, let's go London. Apay ka talaga, uy. Aray ko po. Wow. Ganito sa taas, guys, oh. May silbi ang wheelchair. May silbi ang wheelchair. Ay, ang ganda. Ayan. Pero wala kang makikita. Ayan. 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 Oh. Poink. Di pala ako makakapag-live. Come, let's go on the other side. Sige, magsalita ka nga. Sige. Where we are now?
Now in London.
Tignan mo nga, guys, ang lamig niya. Ang lamig yung breeze niya. Ang ganda. Ayan, ayan sa baba niya, guys. Woohoo! Ayan. Hi! Nandito kami sa The Peak. Ayun, nakikita nyo yung view doon, guys. Oh, ang ganda. Pero may ulap. Papaulan na. Ayan siya, guys. Oh. Yan Yan yung view guys dito.
游轮码头啊，我看到了游轮码头。我们是住
Sige, bababa na kami guys. Nag-aantay ng aming alaga. Nakarating din kami sa pinakatuktok guys. Ayan no. Yung mga mountains dyan. Diyan kami galing kanina guys. Ayan o. Medyo mana napagbirbirok man ti pato. Ano. Pato. Doon no, daming pato dito. Dito kami kakain guys.
Candies, roast rice, roasted combo, captain
Malaking duck. Dito kami kakain. Akalain mo ano lang yan. Siomay. Plastic lang yan.
So people don't
Don't take it. They didn't take it. Kway-kway. Ano yan? Chow. Yeah.
Your face talk about.
Yan lang. This one with the uncle. Oh, uncling. Plastic lang yan guys. Oh. Pero tignan mo parang totoo. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. Parang totoo siya. Ayan. Oh. Oh. Ang cute. Yung chicken. The lapchong. Dito kami kakain guys kay Uncle Chef Ding.
Not enough with the
Ang daming chicken. Chicken. Okay.
I don't. This one didn't talk.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Then. This one did not
I'll take the order.
take the order. Yeah. No, that's only the cannot eat the cake already.
Dito kami sa The Pig guys kakain.
If you cannot, then you never
Hi.
mind. You don't say you want to tap out back. You sure won't eat one. I tell you.
Yeah. Yan lang. Actually, night time I didn't.
Like that. Never mind. I tap out back already. Ever since my I like.
In the end, si Tapo back.
I
Okay, kain ulit guys. Kain tayo ulit.
But the pigeon temple is so good. Very good.
Presentable.
The food they display like that.
Like dome.
Apa? 我们吃饱再吃，就是一个人在。
Mga nagantay na pababa guys. We'll see, okay. We'll see the tram coming. Oh, ayan yung trams guys. Oh. Balik na kami guys kasama si Floppy. Pabalik na kaming hotel. Balik na kami. Pagod ang lola. Si Disney Princess pagod. Oh, say. Balik na kami Singapore bukas. Bye-bye. Okay, check 89. Okay, 89 balance.
You got some now?
No, that's the 89 balance. Oh, balance is
No, you
89.
flip, you slide.
Don't have. 89. Others 103. Mine is 89. Okay. Ikaw. The other one. The 103.
103.
Ayan, para kay Iskay. Bag to guys, para kay Iskay. Tapos, para kay Kuya Dwayne. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman yung akin. Diba? Di nakapabili din ako. May suhol guys, may suhol. Ayan. Diba? Pabalik na kami ng SG bukas. Ayan lang naman yung suhol ko guys. Ayan. Okay. Impake na tayo ng maleta guys. Kaya pabalik na ng SG bukas. Ayan. Okay. Uwi na, balik na ng SG. Ayan. Thank